15mm socket, I'm going to remove this nut that holds the transmission mount onto this cross member. I'm going to put some support on the edge of the oil pan here, the transmission pan, and I want to raise up the transmission. I have a rubber pad in between to protect the pan from any damage. The reason you want to do this is, well, you have to get the mount out of there somewhere, or somehow, so you need to raise this up a little bit. Two 15mm bolts at the top here, and it's not going to be the easiest to get in here, but hopefully you can get in with a ratchet. There we go. Let's get these out of here. I'm going to get this one out completely, then I'll move over to the other side. There are only two at the top here holding this on, and then the mount should come right out. There's one bolt. Let's do the same to the other one. All right, let's get the other one out as well. Once you break it free, the mount should be able to move around, so that'll make it easier for you to reach it. Okay, there's the bolt. Slide the mount up and out. There it is. If it doesn't come out, it's probably just because you didn't jack up the transmission enough and you need a little bit more clearance here. One last thing before we install the new mount is to take this plate off of the old mount. This is just here for protection, to protect the rubber from road debris flinging into it, because this is the front of the vehicle right here. Put it onto the new mount. Now you can discard this. We'll install this. Now take this new mount, slide it into its hole on the cross member here. Make sure that lines up. Now we'll bring it up and put in the two bolts at the top. Okay, that one's started in. Go ahead and start this one as well. Let's bottom these out and then we'll make sure they're nice and tight. Okay, let's do the other side. Let's get the other side tight as well. There's no eminent to get a torque wrench in here, so making them nice and tight with my ratchet is all I have. That side's tight. Let's check the other side. Okay, perfect. Now make sure that this little plate is sitting properly, and we are going to let down our support. That's going to leave the transmission hanging just by this cross member here on the mount, which is exactly what you want. With that down, we can put the nut on and bolt it up. Reinstall the mounting nut, snug it up. There you go.